So she's texting on her phone, and I think that might be his daughter. You know? Yeah, on the back of his bike. I hope that was his daughter. She had her hoodie up. Daddy, will you take me out to get some scars? Sure, hop on the bike. So this is the hill climb competition right here, right? Yeah. You want to see my unit? Imagine being the crew and have to hike around in that stuff. Right, this guy?
Alright, we'll get guys sorted.
Too much closer, we won't be able to hear our own audio.
Alright, 2 more riders. Ridge Runner's own Michael Farnsworth. And then our final rider of the day will be Ken Kaplan.
It's actually kind of nice pitch for the last couple.
Smell that skunk weed. Yeah, it is nice.
Nice job. 11.386.
Woo! That's pretty smooth.
All right, folks. Ken Kaplan.
Woo!
No, that's Ken Kaplan. That's the guy who owns the Motovloggers Museum in Gettysburg.
Ah. Well, looky there. We got a flag.
Alright, he's looking pretty good. Alright, way to wrap it up. 10.437. That's a good run.
Wow!
Great job, everybody. Hill workers, amazing.
No kidding.
Great job, guys.
Today is
I found a Sharpie.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, everything's coming up now.
You want to sign my chest?
Chicken on a stick. No, I got it for free. Some guy at a bar gave it.
Oh, awesome! You guys having fun?
You guys filmed anything good yet? You guys filmed anything good yet?
Trying. B-roll footage. Walking behind the bikes. Down low angle.
For the road dog.
Oh. That is cool. You got Dalai Lama dissed. If you get dissed by the Dalai Lama,